2.5 years sober.
Winnie?
2.5
2.5 what?
years sober.
Say that louder.
I'm 2.5 years sober.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Smeared here.
I don't think you got it right.
Yes, both are. Well, the ink smeared on the front label.
Hey, Doug.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Do you remember me?
I do.
Do you?
I do.
Okay.
Why shouldn't I?
I was in jail back in 2022. We were seeing each every like 2 weeks.
Yep,
Yeah.
I do. How are you?
I'm sorry.
How are you doing?
Fantastic. I'm 2.5 years sober.
Winnie?
2.5
2.5 what?
years sober.
Say that louder.
I'm 2.5 years sober.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's fantastic.
I've been so excited to see you today.
I don't get that much.
People
So,
don't say,
okay.
yeah. Yeah, I'm doing really good. I live in sober living. And I live in a program where I get to have my son there. I have him back after 6 years.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. Full-time mom again, which is a trip, but it's cool. It's good. Sponsor 3 women. I've been through the steps a couple times. Things have completely changed. And I owe a lot of that to you. So thank you. I've cried a lot about this today, just thinking about it. Oof. Thank you. I'm really happy that you kept me where I was at and that I went to drug court and also that I had Judge Washington because she's amazing. I love her so much. So
Judge Washington's a good friend of mine, and
yeah.
She is one of the most amazing human beings.
She really is.
She really is.
Yeah. So
fantastic.
Yes.
That is so good to hear.
I know there's not many of us that get this far, and I'm very grateful. So, yeah.
And I will tell you, although you thank me, I will thank you, because I'll tell you, having people that I've seen before, knowing that they're struggling, knowing that they're having trouble, to get to see them begin to actually live life and not just sort of exist in it.
Yeah.
I have to thank you for that blessing that you've given me by what you've said to me.
Thank you. Thank you. Also, I want to congratulate you on being internet famous.
Making what?
Being internet famous.
Yeah. That's what it is. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Now, I did get to pay another $200 on my fines before I came in. I have a receipt right here.
Okay, so how much is owing now?
$278.
Okay. And what were you going to do on that?
So can I have a little bit of time? I'm sorry. I'm just now getting back in the swing of being a full-time single parent. So I'm like,
So what's that mean?
I'm just like juggling financially, but I'm getting it.
Really? You're getting it?
Yeah, we're getting it. Hey, listen, it took me a long time. I lived a completely different life.
Yes, you did.
So, yeah, financial responsibility is taking me a little bit, but I'm getting it. It's probably the last thing that I'm like working on, but I'm getting there. So 2 months, maybe? Can you give me 2 months?
Do you really think you can get it paid in those 2 months? Or what do you tell me what you can do?
Yeah, I think so. 278, 134 a month. I can do that.
How old's your son?
14. And he's 6'4", 270. So it's it's a lot to feed. Play football and basketball. So hopefully a D1 athlete. Fingers crossed.
And he's probably happy to have his mom back.
Super happy. Yeah.
You'll understand this even more as time goes on, but there's a certain bond between a mother and a son that is whatever it is, and it can only get better over time. Okay. Tell you what, Alexandra. And you earned it. You earned it. I mean, you're here, you're breathing, you're living life, you're happy, you're smiling. And I don't want your money. got what I wanted.
Thank you. I can't tell you how many of us didn't make it. I seen one of the cops that arrested me. He came into, I work at Leo's, and he came in there, and I was like, "Do you remember me?" He's like, "You look familiar." I put on weight since over, but I was like, "You know, my name's Alex." He's like, "Oh my God." He starts listing off people. Do I remember them? I'm like, "They're dead. They're dead. They're dead." So like, yeah, I just have an immense amount of gratitude. Watched a couple of girls complete drug court and then go back out, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I just can't. I'll do whatever I have to stay sober. So
Like I said, live your life, keep your $278. All right. Enjoy it.
I will.
Okay. Do me a favor, since I probably won't.
This wasn't just another routine court appearance. This was a living, breathing example of what the justice system rarely gets to showcase: real rehabilitation. Alexandra entered this courtroom not as a criminal looking to fight charges, but as a former addict standing in front of the same justice system that once held her at her lowest point. And what makes this moment extraordinary is not only her 2.5 years of sobriety, but the fact that the court itself became a witness to her transformation. Drug court is one of the toughest programs in the justice system. It demands strict sobriety, mandatory check-ins, counseling, financial accountability, and relentless oversight. Most people don't make it through. Alexandra did. She didn't just survive it, she rebuilt her identity through it. From incarceration in 2022 to becoming a full-time parent again after 6 years, sponsoring other women in recovery, and building stability from chaos. This is the outcome the system is designed to hope for, but rarely guarantees. And then comes the pivotal legal moment, the $278 in remaining fines. On paper, this is a simple financial obligation, but in reality, it represents something much heavier: accountability after addiction, responsibility after survival, and stability after years of collapse. The judge had every legal right to enforce that payment. He could have ordered it strictly, imposed deadlines, and closed the case without emotion. But instead, he chose discretion over discipline. This decision wasn't about the money, it was about the message. The judge made it clear what he truly wanted from Alexandra wasn't payment. It was proof of life, proof of growth, proof that the court's intervention meant something. And in one of the most emotional moments of the entire hearing, he essentially tells her, "You already paid with your effort, your recovery, and your life." That is judicial mercy in its purest form. What makes this exchange even more powerful is Alexandra's raw honesty. She doesn't pretend everything is perfect. She admits she's still learning how to manage finances. She admits parenting is overwhelming. She admits that staying sober is still a daily fight. But she also openly acknowledges the deaths of the people she once ran with, friends who didn't make it out alive. That kind of survivor's guilt is heavy, and yet she stands here not only sober, but grateful. This case forces an important question onto every viewer watching right now. What is justice really supposed to look like? Is it rigid punishment no matter what? Or is it transformation, accountability, and at some point mercy? Because this courtroom moment proves that sometimes the greatest victories of the justice system don't come from sentencing, they come from saving someone who was once lost. This wasn't a defendant walking free because of a technicality. This was a woman walking forward because she earned her life back one day at a time. The judge didn't erase her past, he acknowledged that she rose above it, and that's why this moment hits so hard. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think the judge made the right decision by clearing the remaining fine? Or should financial obligations always be enforced strictly, no matter the circumstances? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious where you stand on this. And finally, moments like this are why these courtroom stories matter. Not for drama alone, but for the humanity behind the law. If you found this case as shocking and powerful as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Because the next case might just change how you see justice forever.